So what I've got here is the newest control unit, and it's powered by a power bank here and USB-C. And then I have the DB9 connector, which is already set up, going to the remote. Now, when I previously wired this, I wired it so that power could come from a different direction. It could either be batteries here, or the USB port here, or something external. And that's what it's working with right now. So the remote control has no batteries in it. Instead, it's drawing power through the Raspberry Pi that's in here, which is hooked to the power bank. So long story short, one power connection, and then you have this. So all this could be sitting wherever away from the boat. So the only thing you need near the boat is going to be your stick. In this case, I'm using my little Bluetooth joystick as mouse, but you can use the one in your power chair. So see, it works from here about maybe 10 feet away, which I would expect. So there we go.